Hello everyone, good evening. Today I'll speak in English. Is it okay for you guys? I am Nikita. I'm head of partners department in Extreme Forex. They are just switching it on. I'll tell you about myself first. My name is Nikita and I'm working with Extreme Forex from last 6 years. And Extreme Forex is working in the market since 2015. And we have our various branches in different countries around the world. We have our main head office, main branch in Cyprus. It's in Europe. And we have our regional offices and branches in Vietnam. It's in Nigeria. It's in Indonesia, in Bangladesh, in Sri Lanka, in Pakistan, in India. And now we are here in the Middle East market, that is Egypt. So I would like to first of thank Smart Vision Investment Expo people. I would like to thank the management team. They are very good. And now I'll start about the company. As you can see, Extreme Forex, best EC and STP broker around the globe, and since 2015, having offices worldwide. So we are having so many branches. We have more than 35 branches around the globe. And as you can see, we offer different types of account with the need of clients. Some clients need micro accounts, some need standard, and some work on ECN protocol. So we have total 5 types of account: micro, standard, ECN, ECN Pro, and VIP. So these are the various account types with very competitive spreads. Means we have very less spreads. Spreads starts from raw spreads 0.2 to 0.4. And these are the 5 basic accounts that we give. And we have the best features and support system. We have MT4, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 platform, both platforms. And our server name is Extreme Markets Limited. We provide live promotions and bonuses to trade and win. We give main focus to our clients, and as much as they trade, as much as they can win. We have live promotions like trade and win, like tradable bonuses, like credit bonuses. These are for standard account. So we have different types of various promotions. We give the best education support also. Our main motive is to educate the people more and more about Extreme Forex and about Forex, about financial market. So our specialist team give the special education. We give the live session on YouTube. We give the live webinars every day in more than 10 plus languages. And now we are going to give the live sessions in Arabic also. So that's why we are here. There are live webinars and events on basic financial courses. We have different types of courses, and we don't charge anything for the education. Anybody can join and anybody can learn. It will not cost you anything. Basically, we provide a platform for trading, and we want all the clients who are trading with us has the right to get the right knowledge and right education. So that's why we focus on the education of our clients, because as much as good knowledge you have, you will earn good, and more you will earn, more we will be happy from them. So we have the best partnership program. Partnership program, we have 3 things. We provide introducing broker program, then we provide the white label solutions also, and we provide regional representative solutions also. When it comes to introducing broker, you can introduce the clients and you can earn the IB commissions on it. It is 3-level IB commissions, 3-tier: Master IB, Sub IB, and Sub IB. From Master IB, you can earn $7. From Sub IB, you can earn 25% of the Master level, and on the 3rd level, you can earn 15% of the 1st level. So overall, there will be $10+ IB commissions, and IB commissions are instant payouts. On one click, your IB commission will be payout. You don't have to wait for a week or for a month to get your payouts. Next is white label solution. Our company gives you the white label solutions also. If you want to start your own brand, you have a good client portfolio, or you can be anywhere in the world, and we give you the white label solution and help you to set up your own company. So you can have the white label solutions from us also. Or if you want to integrate your company with us, you can be our regional representative. We have the regional representatives around the globe. Like I have already said, we have various offices around the world. So we have the regional offices. We sponsor the offices around the globe. They work for Extreme Forex and they run their own brand on the name of Extreme Forex. Next is the most two important and very good tools in the Forex market for the investors and for the traders. These are my favorite. One is copy trading and one is PAM services. So I'll tell you more about it. Best investment program for trader and investors. Like a trader, who has the knowledge and who know how to trade and he has the skills, but right now he don't have much investment to put in their account and trade for themselves. So what they can do, they can be our copy managers and people like you who has the huge investment, but you guys don't know how to use it. You have investment in your hand, but you don't know how to trade in the Forex market. So what you can do, you can follow the copy managers. You can check their performance and you can follow them. You will follow their trades, their skills, their knowledge, and you can earn profit. And you can give your share to them according to the percentage. So it is a very good system for the managers and for the providers. So one is copy manager, one is copy investor. A manager will trade for his investors. An investor can choose his own manager by checking his own performance. So we give this solution worldwide to our clients. You can copy the trades of any trader in the world. That trader can be sit in US, or that trader can be in Europe anywhere, or you are sitting here in Egypt. So you can follow them and you can follow their skills, you can follow their trades, and you can earn. Second, which I have told you, it's PAM, Percentage Allocation Money Management, PAM account. PAM account is a very good and very big tool in the Forex market. Here, like we are sitting 50 people here, all the funds, everybody is investing, let's say $10,000, and 50 people have invested. All the funds will be integrated in one account. So you will have 500,000 USDs in one account, and you will trade on that much equity, and the profits will be automatically shared to your own accounts. One PAM manager will trade for you on your funds, and you can take the profits from them. So these two tools are very big tools: social trading, that is copy trading, and PAM accounts. So if you are investor, this is very good for you. You can invest and you can make money easily by just sitting at your home, and somebody else is trading for you and he is giving you the return. So you have put your investment in very good hands and in a very good company, and that those managers in the company, those managers will be some clients like you that will not belong to the company. They will also be, some of you will be the good traders, or maybe some of them will be the good investors. So we give you a platform to integrate. You people integrate with the investors and investors integrate with the fund managers. So PAM and copy trading are very good tools in the financial market. So our main motive, why you have to choose Extreme Forex over other companies who are working here in the market, or maybe you are also working with some other companies, why you have to choose Extreme Forex? Because we give you the best customer support in the world, and I can assure you that we give the best customer support because everyone who will open an account with Extreme Forex will have their personal account manager with them. They will personally support them from trades, from their deposits, from their withdrawals, everything. They will personally support them. So it is very, very easy for you to access a company. You will not feel like you are sitting very far from the company. You will feel like you are sitting in your family and you are trading with your company. So this is the power that we give. The best customer support, 24/5 WhatsApp support is available, and like I have said, we give the best education support also. So Extreme Forex is really looking forward to give you the best support here in Egypt, and we will give you the support in Arabic language also. So from next 15 days, our site will also be translated into Arabic, and we will start our live webinars and live classes on our YouTube channel and on our website. So you guys can go and catch us there. And soon we are going to have more seminars and more offline events also in the city, in Cairo and in different cities around the Egypt. And so we are really looking forward to start up our regional representatives also. So regional representatives, white label solutions, or online Forex educators, trainers, all are welcome. Whoever wants to take the white label solutions, or whoever wants to be the regional representative with us, we are here. You can come, you can talk to us, and we can finalize it. So that's all from my side, and I would like to thank you all for the warm welcome in Egypt, and to this grand event, to this grand Smart Vision Investment Expo. I would like to thank from my whole team of Extreme Forex. On behalf of whole team of Extreme Forex, thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you.